This is a generic GE water filter. Looks exactly identical as the genuine GE water filter. Now, the generic costs about $20. I got 3 for $60. The genuine water filter costs about $55 to even $60 for one. Now, let me show you how to bypass that and save yourself a ton of money. I have already removed the old water filter and placed the new one. Now watch what happens next. No water error. So what happens is that GE has an electronic chip in their water filter. The reason why GE does that, it's so that you can always buy their product whenever it's time for replacement. But there's a way to bypass that, guys. With the original genuine GE water filter, all we have to do is peel the label off, okay? Once we pull the label off, then slowly but surely the electronic chip is gonna begin to appear. All right, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you have to make sure that the electronic chip does not get damaged. So take all your time to carefully peel that label off. As you can see, the chip is already visible. So we just have to finish peeling that label off all the way. Once we're done, then we go over and we make sure that we place that round electronic chip right over the barcode. The label still had some sticky part to it, so it was able to stick with no problem. Then once we're done, we place our generic water filter. Then all we have to do now is test to see if the water is going to come out. Then there you have it. The water comes out, no problem. That's all it is to it, guys. Now, if you found this video useful, just subscribe to my channel, activate the bell, leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video so that other people can save money too.